Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can lock files on Google Drive. So open up Google Drive and then select new, and then you're going to select more, select connect more apps, and you're going to find the lock and unlock one. I already have it installed, this one, so install it. I already have it on. And you're just going to refresh your page, go here and then scroll down until you find it, select it, and then you are going to select from Google Drive. If you've not logged in, just log in first. I'm going to select this, for instance. I want to lock that, so select it, then select it again and select lock all files, and as you can see, it's been locked. If you want to unlock it, just press on it again and select unlock all files, and if you want to remove it from this page, just select clear. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!